everyone, I'm Nicole Chantel, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween, and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. So today I'm going to be talking about the new Natasha Denona, the Mini Lila palette. I created this whole entire look with all these 5 shadows, which I will be showing you later on in this video. But first, I just want to show you swatches and talk about the product. So here are the swatches. Here you have a total of 5 shadows, which is 0.028 ounces or 0.8 grams of eyeshadow. The first shade we have here is Poisonberry, which is a vibrant fuchsia matte with a blue undertone. Then we have Blue Dahlia, which is purple with a blue duochrome sparkling effect. Raisin, which is a medium cool burgundy matte. Linen, which is a nude champagne metallic, and Flint, which is nude sand matte. This product contains no parabens, and the eyeshadow is also talc free and cruelty free. Joya, which is the Christmas one by Natasha Denona. As you can tell, there's quite a big difference. In this one here, you're getting a total of 2.5 grams of product, and this one does retail for $61 like her normal 5-pan eyeshadow palettes do. So as you can tell, there's quite a big difference in the eyeshadow pan size. So I already have my eyes primed with my YSL All Hours concealer, and the first shade that I'm going to go in, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop it up on the screen also as I'm applying it, is called Flint, and it's this beautiful all over, just a nice soft like neutral beigey shade, and I am going in and I'm applying that with my MAC 224 brush. Now the next shade that I am going to go in with is Poisonberry, and this is the whole reason why I bought this palette, was because of that shade, because I'm so into purples. And I am taking my MAC 222 brush, and I'm just going to apply a small amount. Look how pigment that is. Small amount just on the outer part, and I'm just going to work that right into the crease. And that was just with one dip into the palette, so as you can tell, that is super pigmented. It applies really nice as well. Then I'm just going to take my clean MAC 224 brush, and I'm just going to blend that out. Now with the same brush, I'm just going to take a Poisonberry, and I'm just going to apply this into the inner part of my eye, and it still has like some excess product. So I just want to apply a little bit of product at first and then just build it up. So each time I'm just going in and I'm picking up a little tiny bit of more product, and it builds up really nice, as you could tell, and it's applying really nice as well. And you all know that I love matte eyeshadows. I'm obsessed with matte eyeshadows. So I really love a good matte eyeshadow, and so far this is performing really nice on my eyes. So the next shade that I am going to go in with is Blue Dahlia, and I'm taking my MAC 248 brush, which is the only little flat brush I have right now to use. And I am going in with the brush completely dry, just to see how it applies to the lid when it's dry. So there we go. There is Blue Dahlia applied when dry. I really want to apply it with a setting spray just to wet the brush, just to see how more vibrant I could get this color to be. So I am going in with my Milani Make It Last setting spray, and I'm just going to spray a little bit on the brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and pick up some of the product, and I'm going to go over on this eye and apply it. Okay. Do you see how nice that glided on? Oh my goodness, that is super pretty. It gives it more of a softer sheen to it, as you could tell, compared to this one when it's just applied dry. But look, when it's applied with a setting spray, it just has this right amount of beautiful like sheen to it compared to this eye. I'm just going to go back in with Poisonberry once again with the MAC 222 brush, and I'm just going to darken up this inner part and just work it into Blue Dahlia. I like how dark that is now into the inner part of my eye. And I'm just going to do the same for the outer part, and then I'm just going to work that really softly into my crease. Now before I finish off the rest of this look, I'm going to go ahead off camera and apply my foundation, and then I'll be right back. So there we go, my face is all applied. I did go in with a pair of Kiss lashes, and they are called Gala. All the information of what's on my face will be listed down below, but they did take quite some time to put on my eyes. This one went down fine, this one not so much. But so far I really love how they make my eyes look. Now I'm going to go in with Poisonberry, and I'm just going to take this color and I'm just going to bring it down to my lower lash line. I'm just taking my little flat MAC 248 brush, which is just a shader brush, and I'm just going to take that and I'm just going to drag it down in my lower lash line. Now I'm also going to take the shade Raisin, and I'm also going to be applying this right on top of Poisonberry. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Flint, and I'm just going to pop this to the inner corner of my eye and just underneath my brow bone. I am taking my Kevyn Aucoin, and this is the small eyeshadow brush. And the brush is dry, so I just want to see what it looks like when dry at first. I really like this Kevyn Aucoin brush because even though it's a small eyeshadow brush, it's really nice and tiny, so it fits really perfect to the inner corner of your eye. So I'm just going to wet my brush with the Milani Make It Last setting spray once again, and I'm just going to take that shade Flint. I'm just going to take a small amount of it, and I'm going to go in just to make it more, oh there we go. It makes it more vibrant. Now just to darken up my waterline, I am going to go in with the Wet n Wild. This is just a black pencil liner. And to finish off this whole entire look, I didn't want to go really dark with my lips because where the eyes are so dark, I went in with the Patrickstarrr Matte Collaboration, and this is in Sweet Mama Star, which is a beautiful nude lip. Then I just topped it off with my Marc Jacob gloss in Want Me. Absolutely love this palette. I love all the shadows in this palette, and I'm happy I created this whole entire look with all 5 shadows. Not only that, I think you could do a real nice soft neutral look with this palette as well, instead of doing something really like smoky. And I'm super impressed with how they blend, and there was like no effort. I just dipped my brush and I build up the product, and you just blend, and they blend like a dream. And that's what I really love about eyeshadow palettes, is that sometimes you don't have to put any effort into it. They pretty much do their own magic themselves. And this here, this look that I created, like this beautiful smoky kind of halo look, I never ever create a look like this, and this is really going outside the box for me, and I truly love how it turned out. I love the shadows, no fallout, just all around beautiful, beautiful palette. If you guys are thinking about picking this palette up, I definitely recommend that you should, because it is just so beautiful. Can't wait to see what other Natasha Denona mini palettes are going to come out with. I really am excited for it. I hope she comes out with a whole bunch more, because I will definitely be picking them up. Go ahead and recreate this look. Definitely tag me over on Instagram at NicoleChantel32. I would love to see the looks that you guys come up with, or if you recreate this look. And if you guys have this palette, let me know what you think of it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!